Hi everyone, today we're going to look at the Measure tool on the ArcGIS Online map viewer. First of all, I'm going to zoom in to Phoenix Park in Dublin. The Measure tool can be found from the menu above the map. We can find the area, the length, or we can choose a point on the map to find the latitude and longitude. Let's take a look at the distance from one end of Phoenix Park to the other, and I do this by clicking on the Distance button. I click my map at one end of the park, draw a line and double-click at the other end. We can see that Phoenix Park is 4.2 kilometres from one end to the other. Now let's take a look at the area of the park. I'm going to click on the Area button and draw an outline of the park. I double-click to complete the area. We can see that Phoenix Park is 7.11 square kilometres in area. Let's compare this to Central Park in New York. Again, we'll measure the distance from one end of the park to the other. It's 4.1 kilometres, pretty much the same distance from one end of Phoenix Park to the other. Now let's measure the area. Again, I click on the Area button and click on the map in each corner of Central Park. It's a lot easier to draw around. Again, I double click and it's 3.48 square kilometres. So although Phoenix Park and Central Park are both very similar distance and length, Phoenix Park is double the size by area. Thanks for watching.